Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cool One Cinematography. Today I'm going to be unboxing iPhone X lens. So this is the only a particular lens which comes with a case in a low budget cost, because if you want to go and opt for another type of lens which you have might seen on the internet while surfing, there is a lens called as movement lens which is costing around, the one wide angle lens is costing around 30 bucks, and it is not coming with a case. So here's the lens which is manufactured by Homes. So in this case what we go, let's roll on. So first of all, let's move to on the specification. If you clearly see what type of specification we are able to get on this case come lens. So first of all, we are able to get three pairs of lenses, in which it is there are particularly one phone shell, one lens cap, one lens cloth. There is 120x macro lens which is combined with the 10x macro. Then we have also got 2x telephoto lens with a view of 120 degrees wide angle lens. And the last one we got is 2x telephoto lens which has a brand. Last we got 2x telephoto lens which has a fish eye view, and the view degree angle is 180 degrees. So let's move on the box. This is the box in a very premium packing. Now while opening the box, this is a slide menu, and particularly it is made from China. As we all know, China is superimposing on us. So while opening the case, we have to see one case, we can see one cloth. Okay, it's quite good shape. Then we got one lens protector. I don't know for what. Oh yeah, it's a lens protector. If you're not using in case of the lenses, you can just slide on the, and in later coming videos I'll be showing you. And this is the case. We'll keep it aside. Moving on the further. Okay, we only got one user manual and the cable itself. So about the user manual, it's in Chinese and English, I guess. Yeah, okay. So it's only user manual that some start taking photos and shifting the, okay, you can take a screenshot of this configuration. We got one wide angle, then the 2x telephoto, 10x macro and 20x macro with a fisheye, and the fisheye view in 2x it's 180 degrees. And here's the user manual for how to, here's the another kind of configuration, how we should use the lens with the phone. Okay, moving on to the lens, this is the case. Okay, it has got a pretty durable configuration, and the case resembles to a very hard quality, I guess. Oh wow, we also got one normal case, and this is the hard fiber, and this is the lens itself. Okay, let's remove the cover. Wow, it's got a huge resemblance. We can see all the lenses and composed into only one single movable shift. See, it's it is very easy to use kind of variety. This is the phone case, this is the lens. And moving on to see if the quality is pretty good and durable, as I mentioned earlier. This is the wide angle, this is 2x telephoto wide angle. Now the center and the middle one is macro. This is 10x macro, this is 20x macro. And moving on to the last one, this is fisheye. This is simple, and this is 2x fisheye. It gives a great view of 180 degree. In the later on videos, I'll put some shots taken by my iPhone while using this app. So let me show you now how we can fit this lens into our mobile. This is my iPhone X. So first of all, we're gonna be putting the soft case on. Wow, it fits nicely. All the buttons are able to press nicely. After that, we'll be moving on hard case. First of all, do like this, upside down. Wow, it fits so easily. And here's the lens with adjustable. I'm pretty sure that quality is nice, and wow, it's also great. Moving on to the lens and the wide angle, I'm able to get a nice fixture. You can see it has a good shape in terms of fitting. The case is also movable, and I can see the build quality pretty nice, and it's very nice. And upon the lens, it is shifting in a very good manner without any obstruction. I can switch very fastly for taking the shots. Wow, it's very nice. So this is the mobile, and this is the lens. How does it fit me while putting the cap? Now you can feel like a handy DSLR. Oh no. While opening the camera, you can see you have to remove the lens cover, then the wide angle. I don't know. Tomorrow I'm gonna be putting more. So if you are able to see with the wide angle, it's taking pretty good. It's taking pretty decent amount of. See, you can see the difference between wide angle and without angle. This is wide angle, this is without wide angle. And if you move on to macro shot, then this you can read very clearly. For 2x macro, you can go more deep. The font is also very nice. And if you think about the fish eye, so this is the fish eye in a whole shape, 180 degree, pretty decent.